The first step is to start the machine and start the solder input and output.
以后它会提示一个复位，
We can see the reminder of home on the screen. So we press the home button on the machine.
下面的话就是开始写那个程序，点切换。
Now we start to programming.
你要按确定键进去，
Press Enter button. We can see it needs us to number the file name.
这程序名称随便选，我们就随意起一个5或6都可以。
We can choose
6
the number 6. Actually, we can choose anyone. Up to you.
你要确定键之后呢，它这就显示出来，这个程序就叫6号程序。
Press Enter to confirm, and we can see the program number 006 appears on the left corner of the screen.
下面就编程点菜单1，
Press Menu 1.
菜单1在第2行那里有一个默认参数，给它调出来。
慢着。And
菜单1第2行，
we can see the second line,
第1页第2行。
default parameters. And you can see the program content appears on the screen.
默认参数调出来之后，就把光标移到我们要编的那个位置。
So we can choose the line where we need to program.
编焊点之前要给它加一个清洗动作。
Before making the program, we need to clean the solder iron.
清洗动作也是在菜单1。
The clean of solder iron button is menu 1. Press menu 1.
菜单1第3页， 第1行。
On the third page, on the third page, the first line, clear solder iron.
下面就开始。
你刚刚按的什么东西？它到6了。
它会
OK.
自己切换下来的。下面。
So, press button, enter.
现在就返回，开始对焊点。
Press ESC, and now we can go back to make the program. 现在介绍这个面板，这个面板介绍。
现在就对焊点嘛，对过来。
Now, this work is to position the solder iron between the solder point.
这个就是切换速度的。
Briefly introduce you the table of how to position.
这有3个速度，一个快速 fast， 一个中速，还有一个慢速。
And this button is speed. There are three types of speed: fast, middle, and slow. You can make adjustment according to your need.
速度可以根据自己需求来调这个速度。
我已经讲了。然后你挨着讲一下，挨着接着这个。And this is the rotation button. The first rotation button is for the anti-clockwise direction, and this is in the clockwise direction, and this is on the up and down position, the left and right position, and this is for the move forward and back for the workstation movement position.
现在就把绕垒头对准那个焊点。
Now we can use these buttons to adjust the position between the solder iron and the solder point.
第一个点对好之后，就按这个单点。
After you have finished the first position, you can press 按什么 dot
到单点。
and number the position number the position 1, 2, 3 extra.
我们就选那个1就好了，1组。
Now let us choose 1
然后确定。
and press enter button to confirm it.
第一点就编好了。
The first soldering point is finished.
现在就把烙铁头移动到第二点。
Now let's move the solder iron to solder the second point. In the same way, we can make the adjustment to have the solder iron match with the
第二点对好之后，还是跟刚才一样，也是按单点。
when we can see the position is okay, we can press button enter to confirm it and press dot to number
出来也是
number
第一组。
the point number the point such as first 1, 2, 3 extra.
现在第二点就好了。第三点也
The
是。
second point is finished.
现在就移
Now
到
let's
第
move
三点
to
了。
the third point.
第三点对好之后也是一样，后面的每个点都是一样的，以此类推。
Yes, after we finish the position, we press dot on the table of the teach and the number for the third point.
以此类推，编完所有点之后复位。
We can make the position for each point in this same way. After we have finished all point position, we press ESC. We press home. Sorry, we press home to have the solder iron go back to its original position. And then we finish the
程序就编完
the
了。
programming.
程序编完之后就把温度打开，等温度升高到设定的温度之后，就按开始就可以按了，就是这样。
Then we open the temperature controller to raise the temperature until the temperature go up to our setup. The setup temperature is 390 centigrade.
温度升到390之后，按启动键，它就可以。对，等下就拍一下，我们按一下启动，然后有一个轻启动作过来按是几个点，给大家看一下。 这样可以上了吧？好了，去上。
Now we can see the temperature has been up to what we set up, and now we
可以按这个乱启动，也可以按这里，也两个都是启动的意思。
we can press start on the machine automatically on the teach. Which one? Run.
Run.
Press run.
对，现在你要对着那个开始按了这个，再来吹一下。
Now we can see the solder iron can be automatically clean by itself, and we can see.
你再看一下，再来一次。这里要马上又切到那个。
这是重复一遍是吧？
对。
Let us repeat it. Okay.